Hello, today we will guide you through how to use GPU in Kaggle. If you want your notebook to run faster for machine learning, deep learning, or other compute-heavy tasks, enabling a GPU in Kaggle is a quick and helpful setup step. In this walkthrough, we'll go from the Kaggle homepage to turning on a GPU inside a new notebook. To begin, open Kaggle in your browser. This is the platform where you can create and run notebooks directly in the cloud, which makes it convenient for experimenting with code without needing powerful local hardware. Once you're on the Kaggle homepage, look to the top left area of the screen and click Create. This opens the menu for starting a new project or workspace. If you're new to Kaggle, this is where you typically begin whenever you want to launch something from scratch. From the Create menu, click Notebook. This will open a fresh Kaggle notebook for you. A notebook is the main environment where you can write code, test models, and run data analysis. Give it a moment to load fully so all the interface options appear. After the notebook opens, move your attention to the lower right corner of the screen and click Session Options. This section controls the runtime environment for your notebook, including the hardware resources available for your session. In the Session Options panel, scroll down until you find the setting labeled Accelerator. This is the option that lets you choose whether your notebook uses standard processing or specialized hardware. If you don't see it immediately, just continue scrolling slowly until it appears. Next, click on Accelerator to open the available choices. This menu is where Kaggle lets you select the type of acceleration for your notebook session. From the list, select a GPU option. In this case, choose the sample GPU shown in the menu. Once selected, Kaggle will apply that setting to your notebook session so your code can run using GPU resources instead of relying only on the CPU. After that, your notebook is set up to use a GPU. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to confirm inside your code that the GPU is available, especially before starting a long training run. Also keep in mind that some sessions may take a moment to reconnect after changing hardware settings, so don't worry if there's a short pause. That's it. You've successfully enabled GPU access in Kaggle, and your notebook is now ready for more demanding workloads.